Hello, my name is Ashley, and this is my very last course of my MSW, so I'm very much looking forward to completing my field study and starting my career. I am currently at a public school in the middle school age range. The students are anywhere between 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I am currently working with kids who have been identified as needing additional support. They have IEPs or individual educational plans, and part of their goals is to work on social and emotional skills and a variety of other areas. I will be taking on a caseload currently of all 6th graders that have been identified in that area, and I probably will also be taking 7th and 8th graders at some point throughout the field study. This field study is already feeling quite different than my last. I feel like I'm getting a lot of direct support, which has been really wonderful. I'm actually interning in a very similar concentration area. My first field study was also in a middle school. This is an area I really hope to work in the future, so I'm really hoping to just sort of hone in my skills and feel more confident working with students one-on-one and be more confident with materials that I'm creating for them and note-taking. So I'm just really looking to build confidence in this area because it's a place that I'd really like to work in the future. This one will be quite different again because I feel like I have a lot of support from my supervisor. I've attended 2 days so far. They've been staff days at the school. And during those 2 staff days, we've had a number of trainings on trauma, on emotional needs from students, and a variety of different interventions. So the information that I've already taken in 2 days is just amazing. I've learned a lot. I've taken a lot of notes. And I feel like this school district seems to be really forward with education and helping their students, and I'm just really excited to be part of it. I know that experience-wise it'll be sort of similar in that I have seen clients one-on-one and developed activities, but again, I hope that I'll be more confident. Some of the trainings that I participated in my first 2 days of my field study have already given me a lot of ideas on how I want to interact with clients. So really just applying those and applying new skills as well. Looking forward to this course and meeting everyone and learning about them. Thanks. Bye-bye.